Assalamu alaikum guys, hope you are doing well. We are visiting Rainforest Cafe situated in Festival City. Now I'll tell you about the theme of the cafe. Rainforest Cafe is designed to transport you deep into a tropical rainforest including plant growth, mist, waterfalls and lifelike figures of rainforest animals including elephants, gorillas, tigers, leopards, snakes, crocodiles, frogs, iguanas, butterflies, and even tropical birds, as well as thunderstorms, volcanic eruptions, and more. As you can see, the restaurant is surrounded by forest. Even the tables, people celebrate and create birthday parties. You can bring your friends here and celebrate parties. Is anything as celebration. You can even celebrate with your friends, family, or cousins. You can even learn about conversation efforts or take a piece of the forest home with you from our retail village. Now you can see that there is a monkey blinking their eyes, sitting in the middle of plants and trees, moving. He moved his head. Now there's an elephant, 2 elephants. There is a gorilla moving his head. Up and down, right and left. The amazing thing about this cafe is one side is the opening of the mall, the other side is is beach. Now we are moving to the other side of the cafe.